My love, it feels like we just met yesterday, even though it's been a long time now. I can't believe I get to stand here with you today. I'm excited to start this new chapter of our lives together, and honestly, I'm a little nervous too. I'll choose you every day, not because I have to, but because I want to. Always. I promise to support you, to grow with you, and to keep showing up for us. You are my heart, my home, and the love of my life, and I spend forever loving you the best way I know how. Selang, Yeyo.
How you smiled when you said my name that night. It's like I dreamed you up inside my head. I thought the picture perfect love was only in frames. Guess I pulled you right from the page into reality. Feels like I'm falling deep into your gravity. 'Cause it's like I dreamed you up.
Today you officially gone from being my boyfriend to my husband. Congratulations. From now on, as your wife, I promise to always support you and stand with you. So let's make our life fun and full of happiness together. There will be tough days, sure, but in the end, the happiness prize for me will always be right next to you. I love you. P.S. Happy wife, happy life.
My fairy tales and future are finally connected. It's like I dreamed you up inside my head. I thought the picture perfect love was only in frames. Guess I pulled you right from the page into reality. Feels like I'm
신랑신부
falling
인사.
deep into your gravity. 'Cause it's like I dreamed you up.
네, 아메리칸 스타일.
To the one we love, becoming one is not always easy. It means sharing both joy and hardship. Even so, we chose this path because we love and cherish each other.
서로와 우리 가족 그리고 다음 세대가 자랑스러워할 수 있는 사람이 되겠습니다.
September 24th, 2025, Groom, Joshua.
신부 김미서.
행복한 결혼 생활을 향해서 행진!